Quiet.
Isometric coffee. I've already done that.
Right.
The geometry.
So, I made a YouTube video earlier about how to draw your basic castle design. Now I want to show you how to add a few of these regular shapes that are going to appear on a castle. Sarah, put your tools down. All right, the first thing we're going to begin with is drawing a little tower like this on top of our basic castle design. Okay? So here we go. What we need is the right set square, the right pencil. Don't touch any tools, just pay attention. Right, and this is how you draw a little tower. Clara, put your pencils, put your things down. We basically do exactly what we did with the big tower in the middle, but smaller. So what that means is we need to figure out where the corners of the tower will be. So the corners of the tower are here, 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 and here. All right, does that make sense? Then, using those little lines as reference, you just draw light lines that go upwards. All right, easy peasy. There should be another line here as well. Okay. Tools down, back row. This will help you to pay attention. Now, what we need to do is figure out how tall this tower will be. Let's say it's going to be 50 millimeters. So there's my first reference point. I rule over in this direction, find where it hits the other line. There's the next reference. Rule in the other direction. There's the next reference. The next reference. So I've drawn like a little block shape with my set square and my pencil, right? We now need to add a pyramid to the top of this tower. All right, real quick. I'm not going to draw the back of it just yet. I'm not going to make that darker because we want to put the roof on. All right, so the roof will be a little pyramid that looks like this. So what we can do is go like this. If we rule a line from one side of the top of the tower, from one corner to the other corner, that means we figured out exactly where the center of the center of the top of this tower is, right? We can then line our tool up and rule a light line that goes upwards. Right, and then just because, let's go, it's going to be 30 millimeters high. I'm going to measure along that line 30 millimeters. And then all I've got to do is draw a line from one corner to the other corner. Right? Easy peasy. Can we see the tower and the roof? All right, we're going to do a few more things. If I want to draw a little window, I go like this. A line across, up, and up. All right, there's my window. I can make this darker. If I want to be really cool, if I want to add real 3D effects to that window, I can find this little corner, rule a line backwards, and that gives the window, like it makes it look like it's going into the building. Cool? Right, next thing. We're going to do a gate, then we're going to do a bell tower as quickly as possible. So here's how we do a gate. Hopefully we're not falling asleep just yet. I choose one side of the gate, and the other side of the gate. So here's one side, here's another side. I then need to figure out how wide it is. So I just put my tool in place, and it's 58 wide. So how many millimeters is half of 58?
27.
27.
No, sorry, no, 20.
29. Come along to 29. Here's 29, right? So then I go like this. I measure as high as I want the tower. Kian, can you sit down, please?
My bad.
All right, so see how here's the center line of the tower. It goes up and it hits the top edge of the wall there. If I put my tool in place, I can rule a line backwards, and that's the corresponding spot on the back of the wall. Rule a line up from there. And then I do this. I connect these two lines. Now I've got a point here and a point here. I can use those to draw a little roof thingamajig by just drawing lines between the corners. Oops, should have gone a little further. So we can see the gate there, right? Great looking gate. Right, gate, window, tower. Now real quick. Boys, what are we doing?
Oh.
It's using your lipstick.
Why are we playing with lipstick?
It's his lipstick.
What? It's called.
Can you tell us a riddle?
Can I tell you a riddle?
Wait, is this part of the video right now?
Alrighty. A riddle.
I've got one.
His name's Keon.
Connor's going to tell us a riddle.
Can I tell you a joke? His name's Daniel.
A door, bro.
Oh, what?
A door.
Everyone can open it, but no one can close a door.
Yeah.
Everyone can open, but no one
Part
can
2 a new
close.
life.
Alright, Connor will tell us the answer in a bit. Alright, here, shh, Magnus. I want to do this quickly so we can move on with our lives.
Yeah.
Alright, so on the top of this thing, I've drawn like a little square, right? Just a square that's further in than the edge of the tower. I've got little points there as well. Rule lines that go up from those little points. Exact same way. Alright, just another little block. Hopefully this is making sense. Right? And it's always neat and clean and quick if we hold the set square in position. We hold the set square in position and the t-square in position, it's really quick. Alright. Why is this not focusing? Here is my tower. I'm going to draw a little shape that looks like this. So in the front of the tower, it kind of looks like there's a little doorway, right? Here. But if I just do this really quickly, flip the set square over, I can draw little legs that are kind of see-through.
That's crazy.
Connor, no one's talking to you there.
Okay, Connor, does anybody have a guess to Connor's riddle?
My mouth.
Oh.
What? Yeah, guys.
I think it's the door.
No, it's
the
not a
door,
door.
bro. You know, it's fake, it's not the door.
Your mum. Oh my god. My family isn't.
All right, refresh. What's the riddle again? What was
Why
it?
can everybody
A bloody
open but no
door.
one
Shut
can
up.
close?
Ice cream
I'm
container.
pretty my mouth.
I see.
Where's it? And no one can open. Wait, what's it?
No one can enter.
Your
Everyone can
skin.
enter.
Yes, an egg.
Where's that closing
Oh, can I say a
open?
riddle?
No,
You
it's in
can
my
close
mouth.
an egg. There's something called
Okay,
super
that's
glue.
funny.
By the way,
Yeah, no one's giving you
What you're doing is fast forward up on the screen.
Cracking on. It should be skin. It should be skin. Guys, quiet. Please.
Why'd you only score 2
All right, very quickly before I
You should've scored a
stop.
hat-trick. How did you hear it?
So we just figured out how to add a tower. We figured out how to add a roof. We figured out how to add a peak roof. We figured out how to do like a little bell tower thing. We figured out how to add windows. All right, so those are basic skills you should be able to use to draw a castle shape completely. Correct? All right, before I stop, Connor, what's the answer?
An egg. Lily guessed it.
An egg.
Something you can what?
I could just say.
Everybody can open, but no one can close.
Yes, you can.
Super glue.
If you super glue.
Yeah, but how are you